If you're a fan of clove or you know anybody who takes clove, then you need to pay close attention to everything I'm going to be explaining in this video, because it's not everyone who should take clove, and there are a certain set of persons who don't even know how to prepare clove, and that's why it causes so many problems to them. And that's why I said if you're a fan of clove, you need to pay close attention to everything I'm going to be explaining in this video. Now, clove have a lot of health benefits in the body, including antibacterial function, which means it can reduce your risk of having certain bacterial infections in the body. It can also have an antifungal function, which means it can reduce your risk of having certain yeast infections in the body. It also has pain relief function, and that's why most people, when they take clove when they're about to see their menses, it can reduce the pains they might have during their menses. And it also have an antioxidant function. But then there are certain kind of persons who should never take clove, and one of these persons are people who are pregnant. As a pregnant woman, you must never take clove, because if you take clove contains what we call eugenol, and eugenol in that clove can cause contraction in your uterus. And once there is contraction in your uterus when you are pregnant, then you can undergo miscarriage. You will give birth to a baby when the baby is not yet in term, and that's what we call miscarriage. Now, if you are also breastfeeding a baby, you must never take clove, because clove can bypass your breast and get into your baby's mouth. And once it gets there, it can cause so many problems to your baby. It can make your baby to bleed, and that's why you must not take clove in case you are breastfeeding a baby. The third set of persons who should not take clove are people with liver problem. If you take clove when you're having liver problem, it can damage your liver. If you're also having kidney problem, don't take clove, because clove can cause so many problems to your kidney. Now, if you're a kind of person that is having bleeding disorder, you're always bleeding from your nose, your urethra, your V as a woman, then you should not take clove, because clove can increase your risk of having bleeding. And as a person, if you are planning to go into surgery or you have undergone surgery recently, you don't need to take clove, because clove can increase your risk of bleeding. And once you bleed, there might be another problem, and that's not what we pray for. So after watching this video, if you enjoy it, please do well to share it to as many people as you can. Also follow my page so you can get more amazing videos like this. And don't also forget to drop your questions on the comment section, and also your experience in the comment section, so I can respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time.